What's up people, Jabril here, and today I got a new Lego Technique. It's a pullback. It's 7 plus stages. I couldn't find anything lower than 3,000 rupees. I'll just set the phone and let's open this. So this is the Lego Technique new. We have 2-in-1. You can build this Lego and you can also build this. So I will be building a hot rod. Let's open it. I'll get a scissors first. Give me a second. So let's just cut this. We're gonna start with this piece. Oh, you don't have to see that. You can just see how I build it. This. Bye. Please like and subscribe my video.